How to add Expedia bookings to your calendar. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'll show you how you can add Expedia bookings to your calendar. So let's get into it. Now before I begin, I just want to say that if you don't have an account, make sure to check out the link in the description below. You can go ahead and sign up with that link. It'll give you some discount codes, some promo codes, and other benefits as well. So make sure to check out that link in the description. Now having said that, let's move on with the video. Now to actually go ahead and add your Expedia bookings to your Google Calendar, there are a couple of ways to do this. First method is to go ahead and just simply create a booking. So let's go ahead and create a booking, right? So first things first, to create a booking, we need to go ahead and create an account. Creating an account on Expedia.com is actually very simple. You just simply come over here at the top, click on sign in, and click on the sign in option right here, and you can sign in with Google. It totally depends on you, and boom, you can see right here Expedia, hotels.com, and Verbo, I think that's what it is. So these are all of their partners. They're combined together, and now you are good to go. So let's go ahead and do this. Click on OK, boom, we're good to go. So now we just simply create a booking. All right, and here is the flight option. We're going to switch to flights and round trip. Say we're from London Heathrow, yeah, and we're going to say to Dubai and Dubai DBX. Yeah, we'll go with here Dubai Internationals, and date is set from 14th to 20. Click on done. One traveler. We'll go with 2 adults. And here we can select one of the classes, either economy, premium, business, first, whatever. But yeah, let's go with business class and click on done. Click on search. And we should find some deals over here. And here we go. So these are some of the recommended flights right here. So here you can see departure time. It's a straight flight, 7.5 hours nonstop, 4,000. 7 hours and 10 minutes, it's going to be 5,000. 6 hours, 15.5, it's going to be 6,441. So you can see it's also time dependent. The longer the flight is, the cheaper it'll be, but you know, it is what it is. But you can go ahead and select whichever option you want, and let's say we want this one, right? And we click on add this to flight, click on select, right? And then we can select one of the returning flights as well. So we'll go with this one. We'll go with select the first one, and boom, we are good to go. Then they have this package, but I don't want this package, so we'll click on no thanks. And this is the fare right here, seats, bags, everything is going to be available over here. And then we just simply click on the checkout button. You click on go to checkouts, and then they're going to send you an email. All right, then they're going to send you a confirmation email, which then you can click on that confirmation email, and here you can see all of the details that they are asking me. They'll send you an email address, a confirmation email address. You can then go ahead and use that email address. If you read it, it'll have like a small link in the bottom. If you click on it, it'll give the option to confirm. Then it'll automatically go ahead and import it into your Google Calendar. Another method is to go ahead and manually input it. So for example, if you come over here onto your calendar, you can just simply go ahead and automatically add it over here. There's another method for Workspace. So if you have Google Workspace, you can automatically add like an API, which will then forward all of your Expedia emails directly to your Google Calendar. Google Gemini will create those events for you. If you don't have it, of course, you're going to have to create it manually. So for example, you can click over here or come over here onto the left hand side, click on create, click on event, and here you can add your booking, and then you can even add like a scheduling or appointment scheduling as well if you want. But go ahead and click on event. Here you can see you have the link as well. If you click on more options, it'll open up this whole tab. Here you can add description, you can add your calendars, you can select the calendar, you can add location, you can add a time, all the dates, select one of the time zones, and then click on save, and boom, you're good to go. These were some of the ways that you can do this. Again, I'm going to show you the first method because I don't want to create a booking, but yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out the link in the description below for those discount codes and those specific deals. So having said that, And until next time, take care and goodbye.